Hey guys, it is December 18th. It is 3:16 p.m. The market is open, but I'm not going to trade during these next few minutes or the rest of the day because I am done. Today was a day that kind of picked up at the end for me, but it was it was options expiration week at its best. Very choppy, very like blah, it was sluggish moves and good setups that don't have any humph behind them, right? So they fall short. Okay, so first, the SFIX trade that I was carrying from yesterday, I closed, yesterday I went in at 255 and I got out at 255, $2.55. I got out at 180 today at 1016. Now I traded SFIX again, same contracts, because I liked it. I liked the setup. The setup was there, and the momentum was there too. But again, this week is very deceiving. Nothing is what it looks like, and yeah, I took another loss. Let's see. I went in at 1057. I got out at 1114. I went in at 193. I got out at 162 for a 16.06% loss, which is fine. That's perfectly fine. I tried to take my losses at 14, 15, 16, so that's right on target. No worries. The first SFIX loss, I did take a 29.41% loss, which is a tad bigger than my regular stop loss. My stop is 25%. Sometimes when I swing, they get a little bit bigger if they are losses, but that's okay. I'm not too worried about it. I am happy with how I traded it. It built its case. There was a reason to swing it. I did it. It didn't work out, so I got out. There you go. I moved on. Then the pattern SFIX was still there. I go over it in my other video. I traded it because it was worth it, but it didn't work out, so I closed the trade, moved on. Okay. Again, you guys don't have to like taking losses. Nobody does. But it's important that you take them and that you realize that it happens. Don't take them personally, It's just part of the business. Okay, so then I traded CSCO, December 24th, $44 calls, and I went in at 244. I got out at 252. This thing does not move. It didn't move. It was sluggish and it had a humongous seller or resistance or whatever it was that it couldn't break. So I got in at 134. I got out at 130 for a 2.99% loss, which is negligible. That's nothing. That is a scratch. That's break even. That's fine. Okay. I'm not happy with this one because I gave it too much time, but it is what it is. And last, I traded the SPY. I traded the SPY at 246. I traded December 21st, which is Monday, next Monday. 368 puts. Okay, I was thinking it was gonna go down, and down it went. I went in at 246. Sorry, 246. I got out at 258. I went in at 212. I got out at 238 for a nice 12.26% gain, which brought me back. Yeah, I mean, I didn't like having those losses today, so this was a nice way of at least having a good aftertaste in my mouth to close the week, right? Yeah, so that's it for today. 4 trades, 2 losses that were standard, no worries, it happens. One tiny loss, which is pretty much break even, and a single gain, like a single as in, 10-ish%. It was at 12.26% gain. And I'm just happy that options expiration week is over because I do not like trading during this week, and I find many movements are very sluggish. And yeah, there were a couple of days this week when there were very nice movements, but I don't find that is the norm. I don't find that's, what I can expect this week. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Have a great weekend, everybody. And remember that next week is a short week. It is Christmas on Friday. So, yeah, no trading that day. And Merry Christmas, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers, bye.